Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a key technology in the world of enterprise software, SAP ABAP. Whether you're a college student exploring career options or a working professional looking to upskill, this video will give you a clear and simple explanation of what ABAP is, where it's used, and why it's still relevant. Let's get started. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. It's a high-level programming language developed by SAP, mainly used for developing applications in the SAP ecosystem. SAP itself is one of the world's leading ERP systems used by thousands of large companies to manage everything, from finance and logistics to human resources and supply chain. Now, ABAP is used to build things like custom reports, forms, interfaces, workflows, and even complete modules inside SAP. For example, if a company wants a customized payroll report that SAP doesn't provide by default, an ABAP developer can create that from scratch using ABAP. Now, why should you learn ABAP? Here's why ABAP is still a great skill to learn. First, because of high demand in SAP-based companies. Next, good salary opportunities. It is also powerful when combined with functional SAP knowledge. And it's easier than Java or C++ for beginners. And despite newer technologies, ABAP is still the foundation of many SAP systems today. So if you're planning a career in enterprise tech, working as a SAP developer or consultant, ABAP is often your entry point. Now, let's look at some of the companies that use SAP, like Nestlé, BMW, Infosys, TCS, and even government departments. They all often need ABAP developers to customize their systems. Most of the work is in large-scale business environments, and ABAP is especially popular in industries like manufacturing, banking, healthcare, and logistics. Let's move on to understand how ABAP works. ABAP code runs inside the SAP NetWeaver platform. It connects to SAP's database and front-end through something called the ABAP Workbench, a development environment provided by SAP. You write ABAP code to define logic, fetch data from SAP tables, and display the results in user-friendly formats like reports or forms. Now, imagine a company wants to automatically send emails to managers when a purchase order exceeds a certain amount. SAP doesn't do that by default, but with ABAP, a developer can write a custom program to check the purchase order value, trigger an alert, and send that email. That's the kind of automation ABAP is perfect for. So to sum it up, SAP ABAP is a powerful enterprise-focused programming language that helps businesses customize and automate SAP applications. If you're looking to work in large-scale enterprise environments or want a career in SAP development, ABAP is a great place to start. If this helped you understand ABAP better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want a tutorial on writing your first ABAP program. See you in the next one.